Hi everybody, this is Rita and I have an idea for a very quick embellishment for junk journals. I did this, like a minute or something like this. Here's one, here's another one. These are envelopes and here's how I do it. So this is the envelope that I had dyed, coffee dyed. All I do is just cut a pocket on the top. I don't measure it. And here's the pocket. Put the envelope down. I have my little ad ready here. I'm just gonna, actually, first I'm gonna do the stamp. Right on the top. There's the stamp. Then I put my little ad, perfume ad or whatever it is. I don't know. Down. Then I'll take a cheesecloth. Everything is in an angle. Then I have my little advertisement that I'm gonna, vintage ad that I'm gonna put on there. I'm gonna ink it up. Put some, well, vintage photo I think is what I'm using here. Okay, where did my cheesecloth go? Right here. Take my tacky glue. I don't even put it under the cheesecloth because I'm putting the glue on the back of this. Put the cheesecloth down on here and put my little ad on it. Smush it down and it's done. I do it faster when I don't have to talk. So anyways, here's one, another one, a little bit different cut on the top, but you get the idea. Just a few items, and this is, you can glue this on a page, put it in a tuck spot, tags in the top. Cute. All right, thank you. Peace out.